So I originally injured my knee about 15 years ago playing football. Had an operation then and subsequently another 4 or 5 operations afterwards for the meniscus and the ACL. But then injured it again about 6-8 months ago. Was told then that I'd need a new knee. I was actually at my local gym and a friend suggested looking abroad. And then once you start looking at surgery abroad, it opens up a whole new tin of worms. And it was my wife that actually saw a testimonial from Greg Prime on TikTok, I think. Ever since I've been in contact with Raoul, he's been excellent and answered all my questions. And what I really liked about his approach, that he was very informative, but it wasn't a hard sell. So I didn't feel like I was being pressured into making a decision, but he was always there when I needed an answer. So Raoul's been very good communicating, whether it's via email or WhatsApp. Met with Dr. Montaz on the Zoom meeting, and he answered any other questions I had. So it's been very, very straightforward. And when I arrived in France, then you have a day of X-rays and taking bloods and things again, which is all pretty straightforward. Surgery was really good. The hospital was nice. It was clean, a nice big room, private room with your own shower room. My wife was with me, but she decided to come back to the residence rather than wait around, which is fine. You know, all the staff were very, very friendly, and always felt like I was in good hands. Dr. Montaz came in to see me morning after, which is good. And the following morning's kind of first thing. It's a new knee, it's a nice clean scar. It all looks like it's gone very well. So yeah, I've been very impressed. Aftercare's been really good. Been in, a reasonable amount of pain. But whenever I've had any problems or issues, I contact Raoul and he's excellent at getting back to me within minutes most of the time. The apartment's really nice. It's nice and spacious, so there's plenty of space for my wife and I. It's got its own kitchen, which is good. The food isn't wonderful, but then, we didn't come here for the food, but you've got the option to cook a meal in your apartment if you want, which I've done a couple of times. All the residents are really friendly as well. So again, they don't speak a lot of English, but they're always really polite and courteous. So yeah, it's a nice place to stay. It's been a very positive experience. I really needed the surgery, and it was kind of difficult to choose between companies, but when ESA got involved in the equation, then they were the only people that I really was going to go with. We had to delay my surgery because I had some other underlying health issues, and that was Raoul delaying it rather than me. I kept kind of pushing to try and get surgery quicker, but he was very, very diligent, always with my health foremost of his mind. He's really been first class. Yeah, if anyone's thinking of going abroad to do it, I mean, there's no way you can wait 18 months, 2 years for the NHS and to think about being in and out of hospital in 2 or 3 days. It's bonkers. Whereas over here, you get a good 2 weeks afterwards to recover properly. And that's one of the main things that really appealed about this package, and I definitely recommend it.